Hello. Yeah, it's me. Oh, that video, how to make someone fall for you. Yeah, it's the next. Yeah, I'm live. Just go to YouTube right now. Yeah, it's okay. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to our sister and brother channel. It's your girl Jojo, and this is how I go about things. This is a show where you just have to send me your questions and I'll let you know how I'd go about things if at all I were in your shoes. So if you're new here, please relax, take a deep breath because it's about to be your new home. So if it's your first time seeing my face, my beautiful face, you're welcome. I greet you all wherever you are, wherever you're watching from. Please stay tuned. If this person who needs relationship advice, dating tips, if you need anything connected to life, you just have to send me your questions and I'll let you know how I would go about things. Success, motivation, inspiration. This channel is yours. Cooking, everything is fun on this channel. So please just subscribe and be part of our family. Do not forget to like this video so that YouTube sends it to more people. And you can also follow me up on these social media platforms where I post my interesting things and anything. So today's video, I'm going to be letting you know how you can make someone fall for you much easily. So in today's video, I'm going to do it in a way that I'm going to be doing some natural skincare. Yeah, by the way, this channel also does skincare, but I have not yet really started onto it because I'm so much busy, but with time it's going to happen. So be part of us in case you need this. So today I'm going to be doing some skin natural care as well as letting you know how you can fall for someone much more easily. So these are wipes, guys. I'm not going to be telling you what I'm going to be using, so you can just look at me. I'll just be showing you. So if you want to make someone fall in love with you much easily, number one is try to be unavailable. What do I mean by try to be unavailable? Try to be unavailable. You know, us girls make some certain mistakes whereby you want the guy to love you, you want the guy to fall for you, but you're always wanting to put yourself onto him, like what they call omwekubako. That is not something good. So omuntu toyina kumwekubako nnyo if you want them to love you, most especially if you're a girl. Now if you're a boy, being unavailable is good because you can make them miss you, but it's not, you don't have to be so much unavailable because a girl needs someone who is always by their side. But if you're a girl, then don't overshow the guy that you're easy to get because they'll undermine you and you may not get exactly what you wish. They may think that you're someone who is dateable by anyone, like your public partner. Anyone can just get you. So this is not cool. Someone would fall for you much easily. Then that takes us to number two, which is try getting closer to them. Now, if you're this kind of person who doesn't want someone to, if you want someone to get to love you and to get to fall for you, then you have to make sure that they are closer to you. There is no way someone can get to love someone when they are not close to you. So you have to make sure that you're a bit closer to them, spend much time together, spend some of your time together, talk about your interests together. You get all that can make you someone good and compatible. So when we go to number three, which is be emotionally available. Now girls want someone that they can easily rely on for anything. Like if there is something that is really hurting into their heart, they want someone who can easily speak to them, who can easily comfort them, who can give them advice. Whereas men, like boys, in most cases, when they tell you something that has hurt them, they want you to just comfort them, just like a hug, a sorry. They don't really need your advice. But for a girl, she needs you to show that you're much interested, like you're too much into her pain, and you want to show her that you feel the pain just like she's doing, and you want to help her get out of it. You have to give her some little bit of advice. This is something good. She may have that feeling that you like her, and she may start falling for you. She may notice that you really care, and yeah, things can work out for you much easily. So that takes us to number 4, which is make them feel special and appreciated. By the way, this is scrub. I'm applying scrub on my face. I'm just going to scrub my face. Someone is there wondering, what is she doing? Is this a mask? No, it is scrub. I'm going to be scrubbing my face. Yeah. So make her feel appreciated, make him feel appreciated. There is nothing good as someone coming, like well dressed, they've put on the best perfumes, they have done all what they can, and then they approach you and you just look at them and keep quiet. You always have to appreciate their efforts. Tell them how they look smart, how they are beautiful, how they are handsome, how they are cute. This is something good. Appreciate their efforts, whether it's even in their academics, whether it's in their workplace, whether it's in whatever, even if it's a promotion. Try to show that you are interested, like too much. This can make them fall for you much easily, and indeed you will thank me later. So that takes us to number 5, and that is touch them more often. So if you're touching someone more often, there is a way that you feel like there is some connection and some bonding. But then if you're this kind of person, okay, for an example, I don't like someone who is going to come and touch me all the time in case I'm not interested. Like, I would want someone that I'm already interested in to touch me. So if I find out that someone is already interested in me, and I'm interested in them, they can touch me and I feel like, yes, I've liked it, and I'll continue embracing it. But if you find that you're touching her or you're touching him and this is the reaction, then you have to make sure that you just back off. You don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. You don't want to nag them, because when you nag them, they're going to feel out of place and you may spoil your chances of getting that person. So if you find that they have pulled back, you touch them and they pull back, then please relax. They are not happy with it. Wait for the chances whereby they're going to be happy and they're going to be in the mood of it. Then if you touch her and she's at the first time and she's okay with it, then just get to know that you're already going into her heart and she's already falling for you. So the next one is talk about your transformations and goals. Now a girl would want someone who would talk about his transformations, his changes. It is always nice when you know that someone has a future, someone has a life. You can be someone who has a life and you have nothing, you have no change in your life, you have nothing that is new for you, you have nothing that has taken place in your life that is good. So if you have something that is okay, like if you have something moving on in your life, then you have to share it with him or her. That is something good. They get to know that, hey, this kind of person is really good and is changing for the better, and someone who is working hard for their future. So this is something good and something someone can embrace and then easily fall in love with you or fall for you much easily. So that takes us to number 8. Oh my god, it's number 7. This scrub has really made me get confused. Man, guys, if you're using this scrub, make sure that you scrub too deep and make sure that it sinks inside. You get the importance of scrub. It makes your skin look good, look young, like people who have pimples. This is a very good one for you. Yeah, it smells so good. You feel refreshing. Your skin feels soft, for both men and female. Don't say it's only females. Yeah. So number 7 is be interested in what they're interested in. So there is nothing good like having someone who is interested in whatever you're interested in. You really feel good, you really feel nice, you really feel like they are really part of your life, and that is someone who you're ready to move out with. Like it's someone you're ready to give a chance to. Even if you don't like someone's interests, at least make sure that you try to show that you're interested in them. Now, there are people who say, I don't think I'm compatible with this person. I don't think we really match just because we have different interests. There is no one who was born with the same interests. However much you're not interested in swimming, you can still take me out for swimming. However much you don't like eating some kind of foodstuffs, we can still go out together and you let me eat what I want. Not necessarily that because I don't want to do this or because you don't want to do this, then we have to, we can't be together. You get? No. It's always good when you show that you're interested in someone's interests. And this pulls someone's heart closer and they easily fall for you. So you guys, I think the scrub is now off my skin and now it's looking good. Now after here, I'm just going to use some warm water. Yeah, with my towel, I'm going to use some warm water and pass it to my face. Yeah, you can see it's already looking good, natural, sexy, nice. So number 8 is create trust. There is nothing good like creating trust between you and your partner or someone you want to love, like someone you want to make her or him fall for you. You have to make sure that there is some good or some bit of trust between you guys. If you trust someone, it is always good, and the only way you can make her trust you is by trusting her. There is no way you can make someone trust you when you don't trust them. So if you expect them to tell your secrets or to let you be in their lives or to be much open to you, you're going to be the first person to do it. So create trust, because when someone trusts you, they may be able to put in love for you, and they may be able to give you a chance in their life because they know that you're capable of doing some things and you're not capable of doing some certain things. Tell them your secrets, tell them something that you have never told anyone before, something that they have never heard anyone talk of, or something that is deep inside you that you have never shared with anyone. They may feel like, oh my god, if she's able to tell me this, then that means that I'm really someone special and I can move out with them. So you're now going to the last one, guys. I think you can now see how I'm looking so great. My pony has gone out. Oh my god. So number 7, the last one is make them laugh. We like someone who is always funny. Like if you're always funny and you're someone who is much open and who is more interesting, I will know that even if I'm sad, I know I can run to you. I know even if I have some weird mood, I know that you're someone who is going to cheer me up. So I always want to hang out with you, and that hanging out with you, that constant hanging out with you, you know what I mean, can bring chemistry. Can bring chemistry. So guys, those are the 9 tips I have given you, and I'm so sorry if I've been sluggish or over taken time. It's because of this skincare thing, man. Just taking too much of my time, and I'm just so sorry. But I hope that you guys have also learned, and you have also enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please like, share and subscribe. Comment down and let me know, and also send me a message on this number. Also comment down and let me know which other video do you want me to talk about, what else do you expect from me, what are your expectations, which questions do you want me to answer for you. And if there is nothing more for me, then I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me first finish my lipstick, my lip balm, such that everything is complete. How do I look? Do I look cute? Do I look pretty? So see you guys next time.